Do you want to add WhatsApp link in Facebook story? You can add WhatsApp button to Facebook story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a WhatsApp link or button to a Facebook story. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in Facebook, tap on Create Story from the top of your newsfeed. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to upload as your story background. Once the content is added, tap on the stickers icon on the right side of the screen. From the sticker options, look for and tap on Link. If you are using a WhatsApp business account, you can choose the WhatsApp button. Now, paste your WhatsApp link here. If you don't have a WhatsApp link, you can create one using https://wa.me/yournumber. Replace your number with your full phone number, including country code. Under the custom sticker text box, add chat on WhatsApp or message me. Lastly, tap on the add button. Once added, you can resize and place the WhatsApp button anywhere on your story. When you're ready, tap on Share to Story to post it. Your followers can now tap the button to open a chat with you on WhatsApp directly.